Hello children, welcome back again. We started the lesson The Soldier's Son. Before to continue it, I will just brief it out. And we have done a little part of the lesson till para L1. I hope you understood the lesson. Before I will just brief it out. The plane was veering and shuddering. A boy, the boy's name was Makbul. He was watching that the plane crash. The plane was veering and shuddering and it was coming down to the earth. He saw that the plane was falling down towards the earth. Before the plane crashed, he saw a man, a pilot, jump out of the fiery object. While he was watching, meantime, one mushroom-like structure, a shape of the parachute is like mushroom, which was coming down to the earth with the help of the parachute. The pilot was coming down to earth. He landed the ground. He wounded badly. Why? Because the plane was crashed by the enemy attack. As soon as the boy Makbul watched, then he went to the pilot. The pilot fallen down to the ground. He suddenly rushed towards him. Means he rushed towards the pilot. Then pilot said to the Makbul to escape from that place or else he will be in trouble because there is an enemy force. They will approach him. They will approach him anytime. It's better to go. It's better to run from that place. There is an army unit nearby. And after that, the soldier tries to stand. After that, that pilot tries to stand. Did he stand? No, he was not able because he was wounded badly. He not even able to take 2 or 3 steps also. Pilot realizes that he can't walk, so he asked the boy to help him out. And the boy said he will definitely help him. He will ready to do whatever work is assigned to me. He was just small. So pilot said not to take risk. Pilot said to not take his life in risk. But what he did? He is a soldier's son. He is the son of soldier. The patriotism is within his blood itself. So he said, he will do whatever work you will give me. He convinced the pilot after hearing the small boy's words, his patriotism. The pilot became happy. Then the pilot asked him to deliver the packet of papers to the commanding officer of the army, which is in Ambala. He said to deliver the packet of paper to the commanding officer of the army unit at Air Force Station, which is in Ambala. By today night itself, he said. He handed over the packet to the boy. He said, make sure that you are safe from the small figure streaked across the open space back to the trees from which it had emerged. The enemy, however, had seen him. A few of them gave a chase and shot at him. The cartridges fell everywhere around him. The child ran fast and was lost to sight. The enemy gave up and turned their attention to the crawling figure of the pilot. Meaning of streak is move very fast in specified direction. Cartridge, the meaning of cartridge is Sidimandu. Now the boy had a task. What task he had? He has to deliver very important packet to the commander officer. So he was running very fast. Makbul was running very fast to reach army camp as early as possible. A small figure means Makbul. He was running very fast across the open space back to the trees from where it had emerged. Was he safe there? No, because the enemies had spotted the small figure running from the place where the pilot fell, they did not spare him also, thinking he was a small boy, because they are very cruel. A few of them gave a chase and shot at him. The cartridge fell everywhere around him. The enemies, however, had seen him, and few of them they were chasing, and they started shooting at the boy, and cartridge fell everywhere around the Maqbul. The child ran fast and was lost to sight. The enemy gave up and turned their attention to the crawling figure of the pilot. The child ran, and even then he did not scare of enemies. He ran very fastly. He ran very fast from that place to reach the army camp. So he was running very fast and lost to sight. The enemy gave up and turned their attention to the crawling figure of the pilot. The enemy group, few of them were chasing the Maqbul. Now what they did? They gave up and they turned their attention towards the wounded pilot. Crawling figure means that wounded pilot. A few minutes later, the little boy stood at the sentry post of the army unit. Take me to the Commander Sahib. There is something I have to deliver to him. Finally, few minutes later, the boy reached the sentry post of the army unit, and he stand in front of the sentry post, and one of the sentry post was standing there. The boy said to the sentry post, I want to meet him. I want to meet. It's very important, and there is something with me that has to deliver to the officer. A little boy said to the sentry post, take me to the Commander Sahib. There is something I have to deliver to him. There is something with me which is very important. I have to deliver it to the commander officer, said the little boy. Little boy, you cannot go. You cannot go to the Commander Sahib. No one is allowed to go to his room unless it is very important. Sentry means rakshane maduva sainika, soldier. A boy was requesting here to the sentry, but that man is refusing him to meet. He is refusing to meet commander, because no one is allowed to meet him unless it is very important. If you have any important work, then only you can go. Otherwise, you are not allowed. You can't go there. Then the boy said, what I have is very important. It is from the pilot whose plane was shot down. Then Maqbul replied to the sentry, what I have with me is very, very important. It has given to me from the pilot whose plane was just shot down by the enemy, said the boy, a little boy Maqbul. You mean the plane that just crashed? A rescue party has gone to look for him. Then the sentry post replied to the little boy, that you mean the plane just crashed? We have also seen just one plane crashed to the ground. Sentry post asked, are you talking about the plane? But rescue party already went to look after him, said the sentry post. Yes, I had gone there to bring him back to safety. The enemy was after him. He was injured and couldn't walk. He gave me a pocket. I must guide the CO to the officer and show him where the enemy lines are. Yes, I had gone there to bring him back to safety. The enemy was after him. He was injured and couldn't walk. Maqbul replied to the sentry post, when the plane crashed, he was there at that time. He saw that the pilot wounded badly. He had gone there to bring that pilot back to the safety place. The enemies were chasing him. But the pilot was not able to take steps, not even able to walk. I wanted to take him with me to bring here to the military camp, but the that pilot was very badly injured. He couldn't walk. His both legs were broken, fractured. He gave me a packet. I must guide the CO to the officer and show him where the enemy lines are. So even also he given me a packet of paper to which I have to hand over this to the CO. Also not only that, I have to show where the enemy lines are, said the Makbul. The sentry spoke into the field telephone. A sipahi came to the sentry post and took the boy to the commander Sahib. The sentry spoke into the field telephone. When the Makbul explained about all the incident, what all happened with him, that time the sentry spoke into the field telephone. He spoke to somebody. After that, one sipahi came to take Makbul to the commander officer. Who are you? In 19th paragraph, who are you and why did you want to see me? The commanding officer asked. Here, in this paragraph, it is about the Makbul is standing in front of the commander and he is asking like, the commander is asking here, who are you? What is your name? Why you want to meet me? The commander is asking so many questions. He started asking like, why did you want to meet me? So many questions the commander asked to the Makbul. So then he replied, my name is Makbul Bhatt. My father was awarded a medal for bravery. He died fighting for the nation. My mother and I live here now. I was watching the plane when I heard anti-crafting gun fire and saw the plane become unsteady. I saw him fall to the ground. I knew I must save him. The enemy was just a little distance away. I ran to bring him back by a shortcut. When I reached him, I found that he could not walk. He was bleeding profusely. He told me not to worry about him, but to try and get this packet to you and tell you that it must reach Ambala tonight. It is very important, said that pilot. All these situations, all this incident is Makbul explaining to the commander officer here. And the commander officer is asking like, who are you? What is your name? He is asking for those questions. He replied, my name is Makbul Bhatt. My name is Makbul Bhatt. He said, my father was awarded a medal for bravery. After listening to all the questions of commander, the boy replied, my name is Makbul Bhatt and my father was awarded a medal for bravery. He died fighting for the nation. He died fighting for the nation and I am living here with my mother, said the Makbul. I live here now with my mother, he said to the commander officer. When I was watching the plane, when I heard an anti-aircraft gun fire and saw the plane become unsteady, I saw him fall to the ground. When I was watching all those, when I heard an anti-craft gunfire and saw the plane become unsteady also, I saw a man falling to the ground with the help of parachute. And he fell off. And now I know that I must save the pilot. So I rushed toward the pilot. He was badly injured and his legs were fractured and he couldn't walk. He was not able to stand even. He was bleeding profusely, very badly. And even he was injured, but he still said not to worry about him. But after trying, he has given me a packet to deliver to you today night itself, and which I have to hand over to you, and it must reach Ambala tonight. It is very important. It is very important, said the, who said this? That boy, Makbul, said to the commander. He explained each and every situation. He saw all those situations. That plane crashed into the ground, and from that aeroplane, that firing object, the one man came out of that, and he ran towards to save him. But that man was badly injured, so he given the packet of paper to deliver to the commander officer. So he came to meet the officer here.